Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add emails to Wix website. So let's go to Wix editor page first. Now you have to click on this pages and menu. Now you have to choose which page or which menu you want to add this email. So I'm gonna choose contact and click on cross. And here the contact page. You have to click on plus icon. Sorry, not plus first. You have to scroll down and you'll find here email, and then you have to double click to the text and you can delete the text from here, and you have to write here any text you want. Contact for mail, click here to contact. Now you have to select all of this word, then you have to click on link. Now choose email. Now you have to write here the email address you want to link with. Now write here contact, or any subject name you can choose, that's up to you. Click on OK, done. Now if you want to see, I can show you in preview section. If you click on this, you will find this email address. The link only works on your published site. Okay, now click on published. Now you can click on this. If someone click on this, they can contact with the email address. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.